Hello friends, welcome to Max Pro Tips YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to unlock all website on your Chromebook. So before start this video, make sure you subscribe my YouTube channel and like this video so you don't miss any future updates. So let's start and move to the main topic, how to unlock all websites. I am going to reveal 6 proxies or website. Using these website you will be able to unlock any website that you want. Here is the first this website. Note this URL. For example, here you type any website and press enter. The website will be open. So this proxy is not working. So you move to the next proxy. For example, this one. This proxy is working. So sometime some proxies is not working, it shows some error, so you refresh and again try. So this proxy is working properly. So here you type any link, any website link you want to open. For example, I type Discord. So here you search Discord and this Discord website will be open. So here you open any website, Discord, for example, YouTube. So YouTube website will be open. So in this way, any website you want to open on school Chromebook, you simply using this proxy. There is also this proxy. This is third one, this is fourth one, this is fifth, and this is sixth one. I provide you a link in video description. You simply use it. Make sure like this video and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel so you don't miss any future updates. So this is the video for today. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you have any question, any query related to this solution, simply ask me in comment section. I will answer there. So this is the video for today. Thank you very much. See you soon in the next video.